If your Zora app is not working and you're having problem in using it, try following the troubleshooting steps. First of all, check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a strong Wi-Fi or mobile data connection and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. Otherwise, you can just restart the app and your device both. Completely close the Zora application from your device and then restart your phone. And after restarting, go ahead and reopen the app. You can also try updating the application to its latest version. So go ahead, open your App Store or Google Play Store if you're using Android. Search for Zora application. And if you see an update button instead of open, go ahead and tap on update in order to update it to its latest version, as using an outdated app versions can cause problems. Now try clearing the cache and data. In Android, you can go to settings or you can just tap and hold on to the Zora application. Tap on the eye icon in the top to go to app info. Now scroll down and go to storage. From here, clear cache. Also tap on clear data. But remember that clearing the data will delete all the files, settings, accounts, and databases. So you need to be very careful regarding this. Come back, try for stopping this application and re-enable it again. And if that does not work, uninstall the application completely from your device and reinstall it. Sometimes the problem might be on the Zora's end. So check their status page or look for outage reports on Twitter or X. Also update your device software, and if any VPN or ad blockers is enabled, go ahead and disable them. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.